Saving snow leopards, mountain ghost. The snow leopard is rarely seen by humans. This mysterious cat lives in 12 Asian countries among the world's tallest mountains. The snow leopard is smaller than a tiger, the lion, and the leopard of Africa and Asia. It weighs as much as a cheetah, but is shorter and stockier. The cat's compact shape and thick fur help keep it warm in glacier-chilled air. Dark markings dapple its light gray coat, camouflaging it in the rocky terrain. Big paws make padding over snow easier. An extra long tail provides balance on a steep, rugged ground. You might think the snow leopard would be safe living in such harsh, remote places, but it faces multiple threats from humans. The cat has lost important stretches of habitat. A habitat is a place that fills an animal's needs, mainly food, shelter, and mates. Mining, wars, and overgrazing by farm animals have led to the loss of habitat. Protecting the head. The loss of habitat has caused a food shortage. Snow leopards eat wild goats and sheep. When farm animals eat too much vegetation, wild plant eaters can't find enough food to stay healthy. Females don't have enough babies. Over time, the number of wild goats and sheep go down, and snow leopards have less to eat. Then the big cats eat livestock, and the herders kill the leopards to protect their livelihoods. Agencies are working to save the cats and help herders at the same time. Some agencies give herders wire mesh and wood to keep snow leopards from entering their stables at night. Some pay herders for the animals they lose to snow leopards. In exchange, the herders stop killing snow leopards and leave more room and plants for the wild goats and sheep. Are the conservation programs working? Researchers estimate that only 3,500 to 7,500 snow leopards are alive today, but they need more reliable ways to count leopards before they will know. That's where scientists like Dr. Kyle McCarthy are needed. He traveled to Kazakhstan to test ways of estimating snow leopard numbers. He camped in the mountains with Dr. Jennifer McCarthy, his wife, and other coworkers. They saw no leopards, but they hadn't expected to. Instead, they were looking for evidence the cats left behind. You have to find something related to them. Poops, scraps, claw marks, and pee, said Dr. Kyle McCarthy. The group collected scat, poop, for DNA analysis, along with waste materials of digestion. Scat contains cells from the animal's own body. DNA is material inside those cells that, like fingerprints, can identify an individual animal. The teams also used automatic cameras. The scientists placed motion and heat-sensitive cameras along a mountain ridge. When a snow leopard near one of these camera traps, the camera snapped its picture. Each snow leopard spot pattern is different. Researchers compared patterns in the photos to identify cats. The camera had taken photos of 15 different snow leopards at 2 study sites. A close encounter. Shannon Catchell, Dr. Kyle McCarthy's graduate assistant, has searched for snow leopards in Kazakhstan, where he almost saw one. I was hiking along a ridgeline in the late afternoon and came around the corner of a rock outcropping to find a stewing, fresh kill site with snow leopard signs all around, Catchell says. I could see and hear where the cat had knocked some rocks loose as it ran away from me. But even though I waited until it was nearly dark, I never saw the cat. Most people will never see a snow leopard, yet it has a right to exist, Dr. Kyle McCarthy says. It's too magnificent to think about losing. Threats to snow leopards. Illegal hunting. Snow leopards are hunted for their fur and bones. Loss of habitat. People and livestock move into snow leopards' range. Loss of prey. Fewer prey are available to snow leopards when wild sheep and goats are hunted. Livestock compete with the wild sheep and goats for food, and the number of wild animals is reduced. Killed by herders. Sheep and goat herders kill the leopards when the leopards eat livestock. Lack of effective protection. There are areas in which snow leopards live are too large to protect. Many countries cannot afford to pay for protection. Lack of awareness and support. Herders do not understand the importance of snow leopards to the ecosystem.